Hello, I am Sheila and I am going to talk about the technologies for early detection of pests in citrus. In particular, I will talk about the technology we have developed to detect the pest known as cotonet lesbalis. Cotonet is a new invasive pest that has recently started to cause serious damage to citrus trees in the Mediterranean area of Spain. The insect damages the form and size of the orange, and that causes economic problems. To detect the presence of these insects, a technology called electronic nose has been developed. Electronic nose attempts to mimic the sense of smell. When we smell, a series of receptors are activated, and as a consequence, recognition patterns are generated in our brain. Something similar happens with the electronic nose. The set of sensors that form the nose give certain signals, and combined with algorithms and pattern recognition, we can classify and identify odors. We work with two types of sensors. When one of them are the electrochemical sensors that we can find in the devices used by the police for alcohol controls, or in the smoke sensors that are in the houses. On the other hand, we have the optical sensors. An example of this type of sensors are the pH indicators used in some swimming pools. We prepare the indicators on different supports. When the volatiles come in contact with the material, they change the color. Once of the electronic nose has been developed, in vitro tests are performed to see which sensors respond to the presence of the cotonet. 10 electrochemical sensors and 130 optical sensors were tested. The corresponding multivariate analysis was performed to understand the information obtained, and the number of sensors was reduced to 6 and 24. The first prototype of the electronic nose was printed in 3D, and field tests were carried out. The electronic nose was placed at the top of the tree at eye level. This is where this pest is most present. The tests are in three types of files: one with cotonet incidence, one with significant incidence of any pest, and one with another type of pest. With this, we obtain models with good prediction adjustments for the incidence and severity of cotonet for a system composed of 30 sensors or 12 sensors. But if we want a more economical system, we can reduce it to 8 sensors. The adjustment will not be as good, but we still get good results. Finally, the device developed does detect the pest. That the system we present is formed by the combination of 4 electrochemical sensors and 8 optical sensors. We have to continue working on it since the first results are good, but we have to do more tests to verify that the model predicts correctly, do more tests to improve the system and reduce the number of sensors, and finally do more tests to verify the selectivity and detection capacity of the electronic nose. Many thanks for your attention.